So let's start with how we can apply the ViewChild to native HTML attributes like span tag and div tag. Okay, let's start with that one. So right now I just created application, Angular 17 application, and if you see it is plain application, there is just a navigation bar with the name and there is nothing else. So let's start by writing the Angular attribute level ViewChild feature. So let me take a div and I'll just align the content, text align center, and within this let's add a bigger content so that it will be easy to view. So I'm adding a anchor tag. Maybe I'll add welcome back to US Learning Hub, and I'll add a ID for this. So this is the plain HTML anchor tag, and now right now it is under app component. So what I'll do is I'll try to under app component, meaning it is the child of app component. So let's get hold of this child in the app component. So to use ViewChild, what we need to do is we have to use ViewChild and the name of the child. This is plain HTML content, so we are getting it. We are getting hold of this with the help of its ID, and so since it is a plain HTML element, to get hold of it we need to use HTML element reference so that it will get hold of this particular text. Okay, and what we can do is we'll simply add a button under this. Okay, click to change color. What we'll do is within this button, when we click it, we'll change the color of the text above with by using using ViewChild. Okay, so now I have this. So within this I'll get hold of the welcome text dot native element dot I think to set the style we need one more constructor we need, and within the constructor we need to get hold of the renderer. Renderer is used to set styles to a text. Renderer version 2 that we need to use. Okay, now welcome text dot native element comma, what we can say is we'll change the color and we'll say red color, but this won't directly apply to the welcome text. Instead we need to use this renderer dot set style. Okay, now within this set style we should set this content so that it will be applied. Okay, so right now if you see this is plain. Okay, let me just push this button to the bottom. Let me just get this out. But let me add just the HR tag to be clear. Okay, now when I click this one, the color of the text is going to change. See, now the welcome back to US Learning Hub, the color changed to red because within the parent component I am able to, within the parent is app component, within the app component I am able to get hold of this particular text by using ViewChild. So this is a text ID. I'm using ViewChild. Why it is ViewChild? Because it is part of the app component and it is under app component. So this will become a child to this particular app component. That's why I'm able to get hold of it by using ViewChild on that particular text ID, the ID that I used here, and I'm able to set color for this particular one to this text. And what we can do is we can even replace that text by using inner HTML. To replace it, I don't think we need a renderer. So we can say native element dot inner HTML equal to replacing welcome text. Okay, and now let's see replacing welcome text. So I am able to get hold of this text using ViewChild, and I am able to replace the content. I am able to set the color for that. So this is how you can use the ViewChild for a native HTML attribute.